You're all good now.
No. Look, I ain't saying I'm all happy all of a sudden. You know, my middle finger's been up a long time, man. I mean, I'm not gonna just start waving and smiling at people. I'm gonna pop off. I'm gonna lose my temper and say shit and do shit that I'm gonna regret. Whatever. I am who I am, you know, and that's okay.
Don't you, baby, don't you, don't you, baby, don't you, don't you, don't you, don't you, don't you, baby, don't you,
Eli. Come on, baby, you dealing with a known crook who broke all the rules, still play by the book. I represent the highs, baby, please respect it. Eyes so red, you thought they was infected. So out of control, my flow reckless in the DJ booth like break my record. Associated with misdemeanors and known felons. Will Smith, it is good music, I am legend. This is the way we walk, baby, no half-stepping. This is our year, our hour, my second. I'm so ready, my flow steady, the beat rocking. You can act like you don't see me, but I know you're watching. We in the fast lane, I can see him clocking. All we do is win, that's the only option. All eyes on we, everywhere we walking. All in my conversation, know you hear me talking.
Tired of the opinions, I think I heard enough. My girl tell me every day she thinks she had enough, but I'm not giving up. I'll never say never. If I fall, it's cool, cause pain equals pleasure, so I walked. I can still hear her yelling out. Yeah, I care, mommy, just a little bit. You know, I've been off for a while. I finally turned my power on, laced up my shoes. I'm about to run this marathon, no matter what the beat I'm on. I'ma get my Ike on, the beat streaming like Tina. When I turned the mic on, hit after hit, currently undefeated. I felt the beat attack. This is self-defense. Take them to the precinct, away from humanity. My plea for this, temporary insanity.
I got an easy living, but I ain't living easy. They say that death is peaceful, but man, that cough is creepy. Shit be looking rosy, but it ain't all that peachy. I'm so fucking high, I see the world beneath me. I'm looking way beyond that shit that they beyond. I did it 19, Bentley with the roof gone. Miami Beach, couple model hoes. Sunny weather, seeking for that pot of gold. I'm on some fly shit, way above the clouds. Married to the game, we done fucked and made a child. Now my sons that I birthed is trying to borrow daddy style. And them bitches that I dated, my last bitch stated I wasn't shit. Now she on my dick cause I made it. Got my bags packed, bitch, I'm on a permanent hiatus. Sweet side in Vegas, overlooking the strip. If they ain't all bad, then I'm overlooking them chicks, man. Why settle when I can have several broads in the bed? It's like I'm stroking for a medal. If I do a crime, best believe this shit is federal. I'm the shit, give me leg room.
That's right. E-Force 1 to Dawn. What up, boy? Shit. L.I. to ATL. Now here we go. Come on, baby girl, you gotta be kidding me. Tryna front on a kid like you're really not feeling me. You know you sounding so silly. See, ain't no woman in this world that can cut down my abilities. That's if you let me in. Oh, that's your friend, and she like me too. So what you wanna do? Cause we can switch if you keep acting like a bitch. I'm only out to get rich, unless you're grabbing my dick like this. Slow motion, baby, roller coaster. I got the cake, it's time to celebrate. Let's make a toast to all the fallen soldiers and all the ones standing in the middle of the wars with their guns jamming. The bombs stay blamming, beats stay slamming. I tell my maid to cook some eggs with the steak and salmon. Now we all standing in the middle of a reservoir. Call us a bunch of dogs over a bunch of hogs. Cause you know we taking over 99% of the time. Slime a nigga sober. The other 1%, it gets spent blowing on the hate is crucial when the conflict's tense. They call it suspense, it's just the footprints passing in the sand. So why don't you follow, man? Then baby you can see how to be a G like me. L-I-V-E, let's go.